Hey, how's it going? Today I have a very special video for you. I'm going to let you know what I'm going for as Halloween. Ooh. Last year I had a lot of people questioning my costume because I was a dark angel, so I was wearing like all black, I had little black wings and just dark makeup and that's it. So I basically looked like myself with black wings. Yeah. This year I wanted to be something that people could recognize or know, and you're gonna be some of the first to see it in action. Bam! We went as Tomb Raider this year, so don't mind all the stuff in the background. I put up this little sheet to make it a little more uniform, but we got some stuff going on the sides, don't mind that. It's just my kitchen, I'm doing the best with that I can. I actually did a bar crawl with my best friend Alex, so be sure to check out my Instagram and Facebook and stuff, because there'll be some fun bar crawl pictures up there for you. So as you can see, I got myself a chair. I was not gonna squat the entire video, although I think my quads could probably handle it. We're not gonna test it. Okay, so my reasoning for picking Lara Croft as my costume is the fact that I was already halfway there. I started with, I am a female with long brown hair, so what would be an easy costume for me to do? I find some of the best costumes are the costumes that people kind of look like already in their day-to-day, and then they just dress it up during the holiday, and it's super easy. So I was like, okay, who can I pick? Who's a badass chick with some long brown hair that just gets it done? And Lara Croft was one of the first characters I thought of. And for those of you that don't know, she's a video game character slash movie slash probably some sort of comic book that I'm unaware of. She's awesome. And Alex and I had actually done that bar crawl this past weekend, and everyone knew who I was. Like, nobody was misguessing or asking what I was. Like, the minute they saw like the little guns and holsters and the hair, they're like, "You're Lara Croft, Tomb Raider, aren't you?" I'm like, I am. So it was a very successful Halloween costume for me. And now I'm gonna tell you how to get the Lara Croft look if that's something you are interested in doing. Basically, all I did is put my hair in a pony, did my makeup pretty normal. The white tank top I just got from Forever 21 for $3. The green leggings I also got from Forever 21, which were super helpful here in Chicago when it was 45 degrees walking around outside. It was freezing, so the leggings were a smart move. Then I got me some gray boot socks. You can pretty much pick those up at any Target, Walmart, anything like that. My boots, I actually got from Plato's Closet, which is a thrift store type resale. So I'm not sure where to get them, but any sort of like low boot or even a high boot would be cute. The guns and the holster, I had got from a Halloween store for 15 bucks. They're awesome. They obviously are very cheap, so be careful with them because this is not real leather straps. It's just like that plasticky Halloween costume leather, so it rips pretty easily. So be careful with those. And when I was walking out on the street and it was pretty cold, I had a leather jacket on. People could still tell who I was. Lara Croft has so many looks and different like evolutions of her wardrobe. I could basically dress as Lara Croft every day and people would know who I was trying to be. As long as you got the holsters, that's all you need apparently. Alright, so that does it for this week's video. Go ahead in the comments below, let me know what you're gonna be for Halloween. Or if you went as Lara Croft, let me know what you did differently because I may do this costume again in the future. It was super easy, super fun, super comfortable. Definitely recommend and may do again. As always, thanks again so much for watching. Be sure to eat plenty of candy. Get spooky. Keep it Halloween. I'll see you next time.